class! Today is another fun learning day. How do you like to know about the ideas of the Greek philosopher Aristotle on motion? Aristotle, whose name means the best purpose in ancient Greek, was also a teacher. He founded his own school in Athens known as the Lyceum. He made pioneering contribution to all the fields of philosophy and science. Earth, in the sky, in the atmosphere, and in the whole universe preoccupied early people. The ancient Greeks thought there were two types of motion that is considered to be independent of each other, the terrestrial motion and celestial motion. The idea of the Greeks regarding the terrestrial motion was highly influenced by the thoughts of Aristotle. Aristotle's philosophy was far more speculative than experiment. In Aristotle's world, everything on earth had its appointed place and function. He believed that every object on this world can be categorized under four elements. The earth, and on top of that is water, and on top of water is air, and on top of air is fire. Note the level of succession. That's what Aristotle's idea. And this morning, we are going to learn about earth materials and its processes. Earth materials include minerals, rocks, soil, and water. These are basic materials that make up the earth in many forms. These are the resources that are important in providing necessities in life that includes agriculture, industry, and in life in general. This lesson will help you explore the key concepts and topics that will help you answer questions pertaining to the earth materials and its processes. And Aristotle thought that things move because they are seeking their natural place. If remember this rock, you held it in your hand and you drop it, it will naturally fall down. Now, Aristotle believed the rock fell down because it is seeking its natural place. But of course, it's different from our understanding today that it is because of the pull of the gravity. Your cardiovascular endurance, your muscular strength, your muscular endurance, your flexibility, and your body composition. And at the end of this module, as I said that I asked you to do a dance output wherein all of these 5 components of physical fitness should be incorporated in the 48 counts of steps, with the concept that you are going to form all of this with the costume, with the music. You should be able to make a beautiful rendition of the components of physical fitness, the beauty of your dance, your creativity, and your skill. cross-section. Spinal cord is a column of nerves that travels through the spinal canal. The cord extends from the skull to the lower back. 31 pairs of nerves branch out through vertebral openings, the neural foramen. These nerves carry messages between the brain and muscles. What cells are in the spinal cord? Astrocytes, a kind of glial cell, are the primary support cells of the brain and spinal cord. They make and secrete proteins called neurotrophic factors. The brain and spinal cord are your body's central nervous system. The brain is the command center for your body, and the spinal cord is the pathway for messages sent by the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. Neurons are one of the most diverse cellular populations in the human body. They have a wide variety of branching patterns that is characteristic of a particular subset of neurons. The size differences are also very eclectic. Some neurons are long, wide, and myelinated, while others are short, narrow, and unmyelinated. Myelinated is covered with myelin sheath. Neurons have been grouped into two broad categories: those found in the central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, and those in the peripheral nervous system. In the central nervous system, they are found in clusters referred to as nuclei, or in layers also known as laminae. However, in the peripheral nervous system, they are found in ganglia. Neurons are able to communicate with each other and with end organs, with the muscles and glands, with the aid of neurotransmitters. And of course, today, we believe on the heliocentric model, where the sun is the center of the universe, and all the planets, the moon, revolve around it. Heliocentric model, the Earth is in the center of the universe, where the sun and moon and other planets revolve around it. Studied in both class. It has been a very meaningful day studying those Aristotle's views on motion. It is indeed significant. It is not foolish at all to understand those Aristotle's points of view on motion. Now, can I get a thumbs up if you learned something new today? Okay, I see those thumbs up, and I'm happy because we all learned something today. Explaining that the Earth is spherical. Okay, I know you can do that. I always believe in you, class. Okay, thank you for your time today. We should devote it to some worthwhile thing. What worthwhile thing is that? It's learning. Learning is fun, class. Once again, this is your teacher, Marisol. It has been my pleasure to teach. See you again